Hello everyone, welcome to Leri Sranang. We are going to learn Sranan Tongo. First, I will speak in Sranan Tongo, then I will give you the English translation. Like this video and make sure to watch until the end. Alright, let's start learning. Mi lobby dansi. I love dancing. Mi lobby dansi. Den boy e pre dorose. The boys are playing outside. Den boy e pre dorose. Mi papa miti nanga a president. My father met with the president. Mi papa miti nanga a president. Dem ching no wasi isde. The children did not shower yesterday. Dem ching no wasi isde. Isde mi mama bori pasta. Yesterday my mom cooked pasta. Isde mi mama bori pasta. Alating mi young brede nanga kasi. I always eat bread with cheese. Alating mi young brede nanga kasi. Asan de drape. It is there. Asan de drape. You wani taki nanga mi? Do you want to talk with me? You wani taki nanga mi? Tide mi ogo na vroko. Today I am going to work. Tide mi ogo na vroko. Dengching no yang ete. The children have not eaten yet. Demching no yang ete. Aheri grontapu. The whole world. Aheri grontapu. We wiki lati amanting disi. We woke up late this morning. We wiki lati amanting disi. Wang chingso moro. A little more. Wang chingso moro. You wasi, you fesi kaba. Did you already wash your face? You wasi, you fesi kaba. Isde mi miti mi basi. Yesterday I met with my boss. Isde mi miti mi basi. Anomang feni inkosu. She cannot find her sock. Anomang feni inkosu. Dendagu e waka tapu astrati. The dogs are walking on the street. Dendagu e waka tapu astrati. You kan yepi mi? Can you help me? You kan yepi mi? A boy e sabi. The boy knows. A boy e sabi. You abi wan buku? Do you have a book? You abi wan buku? Isde mi buy a brede disi. Yesterday I bought this bread. Isde mi buy a brede disi. Alright, good job. Keep learning. Leave a comment below to tell us what you think of this video and click on this playlist to see more videos in English.